Hey everybody, hello and good afternoon. Greetings from Stratford, Missouri. Alright, once again today it is Tuesday, July 17, 2018. Local time is 4:24. Temperature here is at 75 degrees. We are still located here at the Travel Centers of America, otherwise commonly known as the TA Truck Stop. And we're parked right about there. This right here is the shop, and this one here is this was the fuel island, of course, and that's the travel center. Across the street is the Love's Truck Stop right here. So I don't know. Alright, just kind of messing around with my video equipment here, make sure everything is working right. It seems to be doing okay. Well, we'll never know until I upload it. For the meantime, where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? How about we go here, and then we're going to Burleson, Texas, and go there, and we're definitely gonna go through. We're gonna take that right here. This is the big cabin, I think it is. Yeah, it's just a little bit of a Oklahoma Turnpike, not much, but we're located right here. We're gonna follow that all the way here, down here, and all the way down to Plano. Well, Plano's right here, but yeah, we're definitely gonna go to Plano, because I think that 121, I think that's a toll road. But anywho, we are 467 miles away. And what else could I show you guys up there? For those of you who have been asking me about this Bible app, this is the one that I used. It's really nice. I like it. Blessed are those who find wisdom, those who gain understanding. You will be secure because there is hope. You will look about you and take your rest in safety. For when I am weak, then I am strong. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my Redeemer. Amen to that. Also, there's where did I go? Where did that go? Where did that go? There we go. The verse of the day: I am not ashamed of the gospel, because it is the power of God for the salvation of everyone who believes. Amen to that. So we got the front view, camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1, of course, is the driver's side facing backwards. Camera 2 is, I have yet to fix, because the adhesive is kind of peeling off. And then camera 3 is our front view, and camera 4, or channel 4 is our Rand McNally Overdrive 8 Pro. And so let's go here, destination, history, that one, and then compare routes, show 2 routes based on toll versus non-toll. Calculating. There it is. But we're gonna take the toll one, because that's the blue one there, no toll. It's longer and it's a lot hillier and crooked. So we're gonna take that right there. Estimated toll is $24.50. And then, how did I do that before? Been a while since I've done this. No, okay. How do I do that? There we go. Touch that, and then trip summary. No, highway view. Nope. Summary. There you are. That's it right there. Total 8 hours and 9 minutes, 472. And let's see what that does here. Well, this right next to the zigzag thing, there's a little clock. I'm pressing on that. There you go. That's another view. There is the where it says there's a dome and a flag. That's the name of the city, name and county. That's the highway, and nothing. And there we are again. So, and then we press that. Press that. I'll just put it right there, 3D view. And then I could turn on my I could have the option to turn on my hotspot and be able to record the live data and exits. Let's see what this exit does. Oh, there it is. So how do I get out of it? Oh, there's an X right here. And that's pretty much it. How about we press this, and then truck tools, quick planner, city would be, let's just say Seattle, Washington, and to Miami. A distance of 2,970 miles. And let's go to map. Wait, oh boy. How do I do that? No. Gotta go up here. And then summary. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing the map. Oh, I wanted to show you the route from Seattle to Miami. Let's try that one more time. Please bear with me. Truck tools, quick planner. Okay, Miami, Florida. to Seattle, Washington. Okay, then what? Go to map. Yeah, it won't show me the route. I don't know. One more time. Truck tools. Quick planner. Let's see, Seattle, Washington to press the map, go to map. Yeah, it's still not showing. It's not like the Google map that you can show the whole route. It seems like it only shows you the route you're currently on. Now what if we press that cancel route? Okay, it's not canceling. Okay, how about this? We go here, clear all. No, I don't want that. So we go truck GPS. Alright, we're currently not on a route right now, right? So let's try to do that again. Truck tools, quick planner, Seattle, and then Miami. Alright, then go to map. Nothing. It won't show up. Oh, what a dope. Okay, so how about, okay, this is camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. Ooh, what is that? Alright, I'm gonna see if this is even working. I'm not sure if this is working or not. If it is, I'll upload it. If not, I'll try it again. So, thank you for watching, everybody. John Eddie Good here. Peace.